Welcome! If you've ever sent a message on Instagram that you wish you could take back, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete an individual message on Instagram using the latest method as of 2025. Whether it's a typo, a message sent to the wrong person, or just something you want to remove, this quick guide will help you keep your chats tidy and stress-free. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your direct messages. You can do this by tapping the paper airplane icon or the messenger icon at the top right corner of your home screen. Once you're in your inbox, scroll through your conversations and select the chat where the message you want to delete is located. Now here's the important part. Find the specific message you want to remove. It could be something you sent recently or even a message from a while back. Once you've found it, tap and hold your finger on that message. After a second or two, a menu will pop up with a few options. From the menu, tap on Unsend. As soon as you do this, the message will disappear from the chat for both you and the other person. It's as if the message was never sent in the first place. This feature works for text, photos, videos, and even links that you've sent in the conversation. A quick tip: be careful, because once you unsend a message, there's no way to get it back. Also, keep in mind that if the other person has already seen the message before you unsend it, they might still remember what it said, but it will no longer be visible in the chat. That's all there is to it. Deleting individual messages on Instagram is simple and only takes a few seconds. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks for mastering your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.